Hey guys, it's Steffi D. Welcome back to Steffi D Creates. It's the first day of spring and I'm so excited. That means flowers blooming, bees buzzing, sun shining. So to celebrate the first day of spring, we're gonna be making these super cute herb gardens that you can make for really cheap and keep in your kitchen so you always have fresh herbs. I'm so excited to make these with you. As always, full instructions are on my blog, steffidcreates.com, and come craft with me, Steffi D. Here's what you're going to need. 3 glass jars. You can use jars you already have in your house, like pickle jars or spaghetti sauce jars, whatever you have, or you can get a set of 3 together like I did that come in its own crate. 3 different colors of acrylic paint, potting soil, a bag of pebbles, 3 foam brushes, chalkboard stickers, a chalk marker or piece of chalk, and 3 of your favorite herbs. The first thing that we're going to do is take the lids off of our mason jars so we won't be needing them. Next, we're going to be painting the inside of our mason jars. You don't have to paint them. If you don't want to paint them, they'll look like this, which is also adorable and will go great in your kitchen. But if you want to paint them, they'll look like this, which adds a little bit of color. Pick your first color and squeeze about a nickel size amount of paint into the bottom of the jar. Take your foam brush and just start painting it around the entire inside of your jar, making sure you're doing a nice even layer. Paint all the way around. If you need more paint, add a little bit more paint to your paintbrush and finish painting the inside of your jar all the way up, including the top. When you finish painting the whole thing, let it dry and start on your next jar. I like to do strokes all the way around, making sure I completely cover the inside. Let that dry, move on to your next one. I chose 3 complementing colors of paint, some nice pastels for spring. You can choose any colors that you want. These are just some of my favorite colors, so I chose them and they'll go really nice in my kitchen. Once all 3 of your jars are painted, you're gonna let them sit for 1 to 2 hours until they're dry. If you like a more rustic look, you can leave it with just 1 layer of paint. If you like a more solid look, wait till the jars have dried and do a second layer of paint on the inside, then let that dry for another 1 to 2 hours. Once the paint has completely dried, we're going to add the plants in. Now, you may be wondering, herbs need to be watered and have a drainage system, but we're not drilling holes in the jars. That's okay, we're gonna build a drainage system inside of the jars. It's really cool. Let me show you. I'm gonna put down a plastic bag, a garbage bag, to catch all of the extra dirt. If you're not doing this outside, I recommend doing this as well. I also recommend doing the potting over a box or something to catch all of the excess dirt so you can put it back outside when you're done. Take your rocks and cut them open. Evenly distribute the rocks into the jars until they're about 1/3 full of rocks. After your jars are 1/3 full of rocks, we're gonna be doing another third with potting soil. So open your potting soil and we're gonna pour in a little bit into each. Fill it until it's 2/3 full. Then I just give it a nice little press down, not too hard, but just to firm everything up in there. Now we're gonna move on to planting the actual herbs. So we're gonna start with 1 jar. Take the herb that you wanna put in there. I'm gonna put my basil in there. Remove the pot that it comes from. Just squeeze it, give it a little bit of a massage, and get that excess potting soil out. Once you've trimmed it down, we're gonna put it right into our jar and just squeeze and press it in there. It'll be the right height when the bottoms of the stems are just sticking out. Dust off your excess dirt. Put this one to the side and start with your next herb. I chose these herbs because these are what I cook with the most, so I wanted to have them in my kitchen, fresh and ready to go for all of my recipes. Give it a nice massage, push it right into your jar. Now your mint is done, move on to your third herb. I chose rosemary, and voila. Now you can take your extra box of potting soil and put it outside if you want to grow something outside, or just add it to the garden that's already out there or the plants. Fold up your trash bag with all of your excess dirt and you can throw this away. Take your chalkboard stickers and write the names of the herbs that you have on there. I wrote basil, rosemary, and mint because those are the herbs that I have planted. Put them on your jars and now you're good to go. Go ahead and put these in your kitchen, on a windowsill, wherever they will get a lot of sunlight. Herbs love the sun. They also need to be watered every other day. Just make sure that their soil is always moist. They smell so good. Now you'll have fresh herbs all season long. Happy spring! I hope hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had a lot of fun making it. I can't wait to use my new herb garden. Hope you enjoy yours. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Steffi D Creates to stay up to date with upcoming projects and behind the scenes information. As always, full instructions are on my blog, steffidcreates.com, and I will have links to all of the products that I used in this project in the comments below. Keep sending me your ideas for new projects. I do look at them and maybe I will make them. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.